Hey yo, what up guys? This is Hayabusa Tech Enthusiast. So pretty much we're gonna talk about the THERMACELL Mosquito Repellent Diffuser with a fast charge dock, and it's pretty powerful. So as you can see, it's a diffuser, right? So you don't have to have how can I say, anything burning out. You don't have to worry about, any chemicals that can go inside your lungs or the smoke that is diffusing, right? So it's pretty cool. I tried it already for a short period of time. I tried it, so it's pretty nice. It has a 20 feet layer, right? So it's all around you, and this gave me a cool idea too. Like you can have several, right? Like let's say this is where you at, right? And instead of having only one, you can put one on each corner of your surroundings, and that'll make it even stronger and even a longer expand ratio. So I do want to say that it does come with a refill charger, USB-C, and it just dock it in. So it's pretty nice. Of course, ideal for your backyard, outdoor adventures, travel, poolside. I also tried it on my backpack when I went for a walk. I went for a walk at night, and in the evening, the sun was setting, and you get your mosquitoes and your insects coming out, right, to do whatever they need to. So I actually carried this around with me on my backpack. In the back of my backpack, was having it where you put your water or your water bottle or whatever. So it was pretty handy. I didn't get any mosquito bites. So let's go ahead and open what it has. I already opened it, but I just want to show you guys how it looks, right? So it has this little box called THERMACELL, which is the brand, and it comes with the items inside, which is the cables, the dock. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it's empty, right? And okay, this is the cable, and it looks pretty nice. It's a pretty thick cable. I haven't used the cable because I have a lot of USB-C cables. I'm into that stuff, so I don't really use other cables rather than the ones I have connected already. And this is pretty awesome because you don't have to dock it like per se. This was like this, right? Like instead of this magnets, it was this cable. Like there's some devices that they're like this, like a little platform thing, but with this thing sticking out. Like instead of this, it's the wire, right? It's just like sticking out like that, and you have to put it in you have to put in the device in order for it to work. But it won't work, because it will work if you're very precise, but it's like you're doing it blindfold, right? You cannot see on top of the machine. That's what I'm trying to say. So this is pretty accurate, because I use a lot of magnets for transferring, not transferring files, but transferring power, right? For charging my PlayStation gear, my PlayStation controllers. They have this in the bottom. So you can put them on the cradle, and it will charge automatically. So I love this thing because it does actually work pretty well. So you can charge it with a cable, of course. This is the output, right? You put it there, the USB-C, you put it there, you connect it, and then you just transfer the data. Also, since I don't know, you guys are into outdoors. I'm really into outdoors. Like let's say you're outside your house, right? That's not being outdoors, but kind of. You're doing a barbecue. You invite your friends, your family, you can actually use this with a battery too. So I'll bring my Anchor battery. So I got my battery here, right? So this is pretty cool because I can connect this through USB-C and it'll read it. Oh crap, I'm doing it wrong. Okay, because I have too many USB-Cs, like I said. So you can use the connector, right? And then you can connect it to the main device, to the platform thing. So, there you go. So you can have it connected while you're grilling or you're doing your stuff out there, having a cup of wine with your wife, reading a book, whatever you do out there, to have your sun, to get your vitamin D, or just get some moonshine. I don't know, whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually take it out. This is what I want to show you guys. Let's go ahead and talk about the device. So this thing does last for a while. You can remove it like this, right? So as you can see, this is the refill thing, right? So you put it here like this, super simple. There's no science into this. Just put it like that. Just make sure that these little conductors are transferring the power here. And then once it's done, oh look, I didn't even know this. Okay, so I didn't know there was a USB-C here. Okay, so there's a USB-C here in order for you to actually charge it directly. So that's another method. And this is where the little teeth come out and they make contact here with this one, right? Okay, so it's pretty dope. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it and it will charge. So as you can see, it's charging right there, right? And you can see it's charging while my battery is running. So I do want to say that this is very handy if you're outside. I am outside most of the time, like at parks or at the beach or just hiking or whatever, you want to camp, whatever. But yeah, so basically that's how it works, right? So that's it. It's over. It's not charging. And then just put it back in and it's charging. It's super easy, 100% accurate. Now you press it once and then it'll read it. So when it's doing that, it's reading the refill thing. So it's getting configured in order to work. You gotta leave it like that, actually. You gotta leave it that way. So in order it can be more stable, like stabilize. So press it once again. It has to turn white, this little red dot, unless it's dying, because I was using it for a while just to test it, like I said. So yeah, we were outside doing some chicken wings and doing barbecue and all that, and it worked pretty well. So it was really awesome. We didn't have any mosquitoes whatsoever, and it was an amazing night. I mean, we had so much fun. We were not even aware that we had mosquitoes around, and even though it rained during the week, so when it hits the weekend, all the mosquitoes come out, right? So basically, I do want to say that always carry a power bank with you if you're into this stuff, if you're into this gear. Maybe it's dying, so maybe it just needs a little bit of a boost. So yeah, so basically I would say 5 stars out of 5. The price is pretty affordable. It's like 30 bucks, 32 at Amazon. Also you can buy it at other retail stores, right? In Academy, online, whatever, right? Wherever you feel more comfortable. It is an affordable price. It's pretty good. Like I said, it's very accurate. It works very well. So I do strongly recommend this device if you're looking for a mosquito repellent, rather than buying those torches that create a lot of smoke and mess a lot our ecology. So this is another smarter way to gain control over your backyard, to repel all those insects, especially mosquitoes, right? Because that's what is so I will definitely recommend this item if you're into stuff like this. So, and I always test my stuff with power banks. So I strongly recommend, if you guys are gonna purchase something like this, or you guys gonna need this for the beach, like I said, you guys are gonna be at the beach at night, and you need mosquito repellent, or hiking, or picnic, or whatever the case may be, always take a power bank. You can always follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So I hope I can earn your like and subscribe with this small review. So I'm actually gonna head out. So thanks for watching. Hope this was useful for you guys, and peace out. Thanks.